subscribers, they'll tell you how you can fix your problem. So if just your iPhone connected to Wi-Fi but no internet, so how you can also fix it. So for fixing, first thing, just try to check your Wi-Fi. So just go to the settings, just open the settings. In the settings you need to find open Wi-Fi. Just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router, so sometimes it also helps. And if you still have the server, so you can also just try to go back, just scroll down, just find general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second, and just power on phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help, if you still have the server, so you can also just try to update your phone. So just go back, just open general. In the general, just open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and bye.